Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Trax LS, stock reference number 5438. The shape runs from the 8th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2020. It has an FWD D4, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. FWD D4, 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front door has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door appears to have no damage, right guard has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.